In this lecture, we'll be exploring Web API endpoints. Web API are server-side data services which are accessible via HTTP protocol. So basically, we make use of HTTP verbs like get, post, put, delete in order to access server-side data services. Now, these services are basically a collection of entities which are exposed through HTTP verbs. In short, they are controller actions, and these controller actions are accessible via the common HTTP verbs like I mentioned, get, put, post, and delete. So in order to create Web API, all you need to do is in your Solution Explorer, create a directory called API so that there's a dedicated place for it. So we'll say add new folder API, and inside this just click on add new item, and you'll notice this comments controller. There you go. You'll notice that this class that is generated has a route defined which is accessible via API/controller. So name of the controller will be comments. So anything that we want to access is available via this route API/comments. And then for the get method, we have value 1, value 2 being returned as a string array. Similarly, we have another method called get. When passed with a parameter ID, it returns this value. So here ID is expected for this route get. Now then we have post. Currently the definition is empty, and then we have put and delete. So let's go ahead and run this and see it in action what exactly this returns. So here we'll write API/comments and press enter. You can see that it is returning value 1, value 2. So that is the get verb in action. And if I just pass ID as 1 for this API, you'll notice it's returning value. So here we have seen that when we are just passing the comments, that is API/comments, this is the method that is being executed, and we are presented with these two values. And when we are saying API comments/1, the ID parameter is then populated, and here we are simply returning value string as output. So this is how easy it is to create a web controller API. In the next lecture, we'll see how we can make necessary changes to save comments in our database.